Thinking of building a budget crypto mining rig? Here's how to get started without breaking the bank. First, decide what you want to mine. Coins like Ethereum Classic, Caspa, or other GPU-friendly coins are great for beginners. For hardware, focus on mid-range GPUs with good efficiency, like used NVIDIA 3060s or AMD cards. Pair them with a budget motherboard that supports multiple GPUs, a low-cost CPU, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and at least 1 terabyte SSD. Use a reliable power supply with enough wattage for your GPUs. Don't cheap out here, stability is key. For cooling, set up basic fans on an open air frame to prevent overheating. Next, install mining software such as NiceHash or LolMiner and join a pool to maximize rewards. Always track electricity costs. Profit comes from efficiency, not just raw power. And that's it. With the right setup, you can start mining crypto on a budget. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.